Hey everybody, this is Mark with Untitled Chapter, and in this video we're going to check out the SIMPLE.FLY 3-in-1 flash drive. So what's so cool about this thing? Well, it has three features. One, it's a charging cable for your phone. Two, it's a flash drive for your computer. And three, it's a flash drive for your phone. With this one cable, you can not only have power but data for both your computer and your phone. It's super awesome, so let's check it out. So taking a look at the hardware itself, the build of the cable is fairly nice. Both ends of the flash drive are made out of aluminum metal and it feels pretty strong and sturdy. The color that I got is gold and it matches pretty good with the gold of the iPhones of previous generations. The cable itself is woven nylon and it's also pretty strong and durable. One thing that's pretty nice about this is it does have a metal cable inside, so if you do bend it, you can get it to stay in the general shape. So if you want it to be in a folded version, it can kind of stay and remember that folded shape, or you can kind of twist it, do whatever you want. It kind of remembers its shape, which is nice. The model that I got is 32 gigabytes, and on the flash drive end for your computer, it does have USB 3. It works as any other flash drive. You just plug it into your computer, it shows up as a drive. As you can see, there's 32 gigabytes. You just drop files on there, and it's really that simple. Speeds on this flash drive are not the best. It is formatted for a format that's going to work for both your computer and your phone, so it's not going to be optimized for Mac specifically. Speeds are decently fine for most needs. You can't edit off of this. You can't edit 4K. It's going to take a little bit longer than it usually does, but it's not that bad. To use the flash drive on your phone, which is the most exciting part, you just plug it into your phone. A pop-up will come up saying, do you want to install the apps? If you say yes, it'll show you a list of 3 different apps that are available. I don't know what the differences are. I just got the Pro version because it says Pro. Once we open up the app, it will show you 4 tabs: Me, File Explorer, Backup, and Settings. Me shows you the internal storage on your phone, so photos, videos, music, and documents. We can also look at File Explorer to see the file structure on our phone. However, Apple doesn't allow you to get too specific with it. It's just shared files, really. Under Backup, we can back up our contacts to or from the flash drive and also export all of our pictures. So you don't have to do a cloud backup. You can do some of the stuff on a flash drive. Settings shows you the space on your flash drive and what's used up. The Me and File Explorer tabs also do have options for internal and USB. So with the USB plugged in, we can see the photos, videos, music, and stuff like that on the flash drive, or if you want to view it as a normal file view, just like you would on a computer, you can go to File Explorer, click on USB, and you can see the file hierarchy of every single thing on there, which is my favorite view. And you can also just transfer things right from here with either the Me internal section or the File Explorer. You can't send too much from your phone to the flash drive, but it is a nice way to access documents and stuff like that on your phone that you previously put on the flash drive. Overall, I'm a really big fan of this thing. It has 3-in-1 features. All I need to do is just carry this one cable, and I got storage for both my phone, my computer, and a power cable. The build's really awesome. I love the way it feels, and I really have no complaints about it. It's a great price, and I definitely recommend you pick it up. If you want to do so, I'll drop a link to that down below in the description. If you like this video, definitely leave us a like and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. This is Mark with Untitled Chapter, and I'll see you in the next one.